Hello, friends. Welcome to Wednesday, your e-learning day number 12. Just a little side note, I miss you. I wish we were all together. We're not, but this is the best we can get. So today we're going to learn about our food paragraph, and you should have completed your sports paragraph and turned that in last weekend. Um, Unfortunately, I have several people who did not turn one in. That is 10 points in the grade book. So you're going to want to make sure you get that turned in on Google Classroom for me. So your food paragraph, just a reminder, and I'm sorry if you hear clicking noises, it's my dogs running in and out of the sunroom. So anyways, just a reminder about your topic paragraph. It is worth 10 points. Most of you did a very nice job of making sure you had an introduction, you had 4 to 5 facts, you had your conventions, your spelling and grammar. That's probably what I took off for the most. That you had a closing sentence and that you use citations. I had several people who did not use citations correctly. So make sure you have gone over that and looked to make sure you have in-text citations and sources at the end of your paragraph. So I'm going to give you an example of a food paragraph that is for China. And I want to show you this as a corrected food paragraph. And what I mean by that is that I've gone through and I've made some corrections. And you're going to go back through your sports paragraph today, and I want you to make corrections on the things that I've suggested. So when that happens, you're going to notice my lovely face right here, and you're going to notice where it'll say, these are like suggestions of things that I want you to do. So if it's in green, and if you click on this, what it's going to do is it's going to say either accept suggestion or reject suggestion. So obviously on this, China was not correct, like it was not capitalized correctly. And so you want to make sure to accept that, because that's something I've said you always need to do. So you're just going to hit the accept suggestion and it corrects it for you. Now, other times you're going to see like highlighted. And when you click on this, the highlight is right here for now. And I have on here, add another fact. What that means is in this particular paragraph, really she only gave me about 3 good facts. And so she talks about rice, she talks about noodles, and she talks about spring rolls. So what I'm asking her for is another fact about food. Okay, so I have on here, add another fact. So once you add your next fact, so China, so maybe I would say something like China is, and I'm in suggested mode, that's why it's doing this. China is also known for I don't know, chicken or something. Okay, I'm not sure. I haven't looked up China, so I'm not sure. Once I've put my next fact in, then what I would do is right here, I would hit resolve. Okay. So the next thing is she has her sources down here, her actual source. That's great. But she didn't put an in-text citation in here at all. And so I have on here missing in-text citation. So she would go back in here and she would make sure to correct that and add her in-text citation. This paragraph does a great job of introduction. China is a well-known place, mostly for its food. And then it does a great job of summarizing. Now you can probably tell that China has a ton of delicious food, and her facts are in between. Okay? So, what you are going to do today for me is you are going to watch this video and you're going to look at the document here about how to get your 10 points. You're going to answer this question. Tell me your country and one thing you have learned today about food. So you're going to start your research. After you do your related arts, this is your last screen. Make sure you do this screen. You are going to correct your sports paragraph or turn it in if you haven't turned it in yet. Research for food paragraph and answer that question. And for my class, you'll be doing your related arts, okay? So I hope this video finds you well and that you guys are doing okay, and I miss you all. Thanks. Bye.